Once upon a time, it was the summer season. There was a thirsty crow, and it was flying here and there in search of water. But it could not find water anywhere. At last, it reached in a garden where it saw a pitcher of water there. So the crow became very happy and said, "Thank God I have found a pitcher." It came near the pitcher, but there was a little water on the bottom of the pitcher. Therefore, the crow could not drink the water. The crow did not know what to do. Finally, an idea came in its mind. It collected pebbles one by one and dropped them in the pitcher. Slowly, when the pebbles filled the bottom of the pitcher, the water level rose high. Then the crow could reach the water. It drank water and quenched its thirst. Moral: Allah helps those who help themselves. Every problem has a solution. Necessity is the mother of invention. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel.